Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so this time I'll be doing a benchmark performance test between these two devices. So on the right I have the Moto G8 Plus, and on the left I have the new TCL 10L. Okay, so both these devices have the Snapdragon 665 processor. The TCL 10L has 6 gigs of RAM. The Moto G8 Plus has 4 gigs of RAM. So yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what type of scores we get between these two devices. The TCL 10L is running Android 10 and the Moto G8 Plus is still running Android 9 Pie. So like always, I'm just going to check to make sure I don't have any running applications. Okay, so let's start up the application to run the benchmark. I'm using Antutu. Okay, so let me just go into my device here real quick and show you all. Model Moto G8 Plus. CPU Snapdragon 665, renderer Adreno 610. And 4 gigabytes of RAM, 8 cores. Okay, so now let's go into my device on the TCL 10L. Okay, so the renderer is the Adreno 610, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 8 cores. So yeah, let's just go ahead and start up the test on both. Okay, so let me see if I can press them both at the same time. Here goes. Okay, so the G8 Plus is on top there, and the TCL 10L is down here at the bottom. Okay, so the graphics rendering looks very smooth on both. So I'm guessing the TCL is gonna win, just because even though they have the same processor, I'm just guessing it's gonna win because it does have the 6 gigabytes of RAM compared to the 4 gigabytes of RAM on the Moto G8 Plus. I'm guessing the extra 2 gigabytes of RAM on the TCL will help the performance. So as you can see, the test, I started them both at the same time and they're pretty much on par there. Well, the TCL's slightly ahead now. Okay, so the TCL 10L has definitely taken the lead there. It's getting through the rendering a lot faster now than the Moto G8 Plus. So you can see the rendering speed is a lot faster on the TCL 10L. Wow. Okay, so this test, like I said, it's got quite a few different things to test, so the test is going to be quite lengthy. It's got quite a few different things to test. You will see the list of the things it has to test. So it has to test the GPU. So the GPU test has now finished on the TCL 10L. So now it's testing the memory and RAM speed performance, and both devices are on 52%. And the G8 is keeping up. Well, it was keeping up. Wow. This is a real interesting test, guys. A very real interesting test. Okay, so I'll be back when we're almost done. Okay, guys. So the G8 has taken the lead now. Okay, so the G8 Plus has finished the test first, and it scored 172,616. And there's the CPU score, 70,169. GPU score, 33,166. Memory score, 37,146. And the UX score, 32,135. So the overall score, once again, is 172,616. Okay, so the test is now complete on the TCL 10L, and the TCL 10L scored 171,267. So that's a one. That's, let me see, that's 1,000. 1,400 and something points difference, if my maths is right. And there's the CPU score, 70,164. GPU score, 34,440. Memory score, 31,643. And the UX score, 35,020. So there it is, guys. That's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a like, share the video. Let me know what you think of the scores in the comment section down below. It's your boy, the Android Doctor. I'm out. Deuces.